All right, guys, this is Tuesday, week 3. We are going to start in the first box. Place a check by the compound sentences that are joined correctly. Number 1 says, my dog hates baths, but he is all muddy. You're looking for 2 sentences that are joined. So, my dog hates baths, yes. He is all muddy, yes. It is joined with a comma and but. That is correct. So, you are going to put a check. Number 2. I asked Mom if I could give him a bath, and she said yes. Are there 2 parts to the sentence? I asked Mom if I could give him a bath. She said yes. There is a word to join those 2 together, which is and, but it doesn't have a comma, so it is going to be an X. There should have been a comma right there. Number 3. I gathered all the supplies, but we couldn't find Lucky anywhere. So, are there 2 sentences? I gathered all the supplies. We couldn't find Lucky anywhere. Yes, there's 2. They're joined by the word but there's a problem. There should be a comma right there before the word but. So that is, it's wrong. Okay. Next, this box is dealing with prepositions. Remember yesterday we wrote when and where on the top. So I put them again. That's what we're going to ask ourselves in the sentences. So we're going to circle the preposition, underline the prepositional phrase. So look at number 1. We found Spotty hiding where? Under the porch. Your preposition is under, so you circle under. Under the porch is our phrase, so you underline all that. Number 2. We whistled so Spotty would come to us. We whistled so Spotty would come where? To us. So to is our preposition and to us is our prepositional phrase. Number 3. Number 3. Spotty finally ran out, but he darted across the yard. There's 2 in here. Spotty finally ran where? Out. So we're going to circle out. There is no phrase. It's just out. So you don't underline anything there. But he darted where? Across the yard. So you're going to circle across. And across the yard is our phrase. So you're going to underline across the yard. Number 4. We chased after Spotty for 30 minutes. We chased where? After Spotty. So after. And your phrase is after Spotty. When? For 30 minutes. So for is another preposition, and for 30 minutes is your phrase. For 30 minutes. Okay? Now, your directions on the sentence is combine the 2 simple sentences into 1 compound sentence. Okay? So here's your 2 sentences. Spotty was all muddy. He didn't want to take a bath. So, we're going to combine these by, let me go ahead and write it. Spotty was all muddy. We need to look at the way these sentences are related. He's muddy. He doesn't want to take a bath. So you wouldn't say Spotty was all muddy and he didn't want to take a bath. You would say Spotty was all muddy, but he didn't want to take a bath. So the way you combine them, remember, if you're putting a but, you're going to put a comma. So you're going to say Spotty's all muddy, comma, and add the word but. Now, You're going to write this second sentence here, but remember, the H would be lowercase. So it's going to be, but he didn't want to take a bath. So the only thing we changed the period to a comma, we added but, and we changed the H to lowercase. Okay? All right. Next, the plural of these words. Remember, these are irregular plurals, so you're not going to add an S or an ES. So, one tooth, two teeth, T-E-E-T-H. One mouse, three mice, three blind mice, mice. One goose, five geese, G-E-E-S-E. One sheep, eight sheep. You don't change that one. It's just sheep. Got those? All right. Last box. What changes needed, if any? We caught Spotty, and he finally got his bath. If that's going to be done correctly, and that's a compound sentence, we need to add a comma after Spotty. So it would be a, we caught Spotty, comma, and he finally got his bath. All right, there's Tuesday.